idea ya betra ha aka ho asempɛn nti ana etore bia mo se me refer to be notes and there in some I can no one sign eba nti we go back and ya hwɛ na kan some ya can that time no ya sa be kan bio ameri no ye edien Arab for any ye na ya bom full ye African Middle East international bina omo any abum any friend ameri no omo dia bom a emra in the heat of do so no ana ya gie ho bia enye yi no em say NDC aban eye President Mahama no di anim no okofa saa afidie ebai no sign agreement so me supply 300 megawatts of power through Amerino enti omokofa bai na mo yenhwe akoso mbo dam no kura no ene kura 1030 megawatts it is afidie on the bai na emu oduye pa 300 megawatts eno mo yenhwe adwen ko bibi so saa die na ma du so no ejae sense afidie no kwa 300 megawatts eye turbine yen de work so mbo down your water nti nsuo no de pushi generators no ene ma yenya power we de enye nsuo eye gas ena etene ena ma yenya saa 300 megawatts in emergency no ena eye John Hammer oda NDC am ko fa saa afidie bae on ko fa bi so by car bae ena ma saa ahoto no eba wo electricity ni mu efe em say enu twam no ebinum ba wo say wo mo na yema dum so no ejae say ho ansem abai eje saa machine 300 megawatts ena eba ya ema na yesa nana nkrofo na edi ani ma eje American company no omo air build na omo onu na ya operate na ya transfer I friend boot eye partnership bia ye ni omo eye enti contract na $510 million na sabra na ye nuanom ewo opposition no omo kasa ho yie pa se deal wom nanka ya de eye 360 million na ye ho obi twa akire $1.5 million na $150 million sorry na ohwede entre bansa eye Saudi company eye Arab company no omje contract no mo charge $500 million no okohwe another company no sublet man no na sa company je $360 million into ono no otinche na onya na cut na we ye nuan mi ka say eye katase hye any project na mitumu say ye bi obi shop car ahaya Captain Smart mi ko o menya car bi amon oni car ni bi no akọ obi ho oni akoka okay maje wo 10 million na ono atua oje no na no de akọ nipa foforo say wo tua 1.15 million nipa ni tua wati ne 5 million no de 10 million no de akotua onika. These things do happen in business. Sa de na course sa amre no enti yenuan me ka say sa 510 million no Arab company ni GE no sense a Turkish company ni be ye na ono ni price ni low nti no na say enyade a efa kwan mu nti ye main campaign message actually say na NDC aban sa video akofa be ya e ma dum so na jai ni nyina no ye de to nchen na ye ka ho asema katahye ni proye ayeye ye nuan mi ka say ba sa contract no ombetwam na omaye foforo ampa so ba ye first no ye em so mo kai eye John Jinapo ano ye minister omokorifie kochi no eye Dr. Kwablando nko onso obo modena ma sadum so no ejaye no onso omokochi no na ansemi eba parliament krama ye kan wasem ye nyina ye nua panyin KT Hammond onso by parliament be kan say sa contract de atwam esanse ebon kra $510 million no omo run 5 years na ye wie ses karitua omo de afidie no amayen na yankasa yarane emre bia me ba me kan say in shipping this is a very ya preso a sign say wo okofa sa afidie ba maybe ni che ontumi rane enti o rane aboboka enti o de ma contract external momo rane wo de an say oba maintain oba bibia owia wotua ne ka instead say wankasa bia ship ubakwa akoto na wa de afa cargo wo hu rane a e ka obebo no we do these hiring any contracts no any chartering your friend chartering in ships no your friends ama ni nyina ye nuanumi na omo empnso yes ombesesa no market yamod ba parliament ebe regime motion wo se sa contract yentwam eno na ebe ye deja enti anim se omo ebe na kata ahyeche ni pro na ewom no omo ba abetwam na ye de papa aba na eno na yenkotia ekosira no pa yenkotia just a president assign executive paper say sa a young family parliament in terms of pass it through bibia ya nye due diligence ya fan cabinet ye hu ya say president assign eba na opposition for aya moma on credit kakra essence oma adwuma wo da ho a omo so e de omo yere no say aband ya de bia ba na omo hutumi dia odi ko parliament ya to aba dom kuma no obedi nkuguo na emom no se otumi ka ho asem ma civil society amanfo somu a aya etumi ayaduma ebi na mo ye yi eda na ye vice president or ye na yi no sa mbre na ye nuane me di ade no call committee level so mo ye ntemtem anaka di aba parliament ni ya pass nti na ayi NDC for ayi foi bebre wo ayi na se na woti ho hint na mo di bika e call committee level nya sanka ade no efa omo ko ho kra because omo say NDC for be take ayi interest in the year no na so omo tie no nyina mu vu call committee level nti omo raise this issue say anko cabinet and also and anya due diligence bia enka ho certain documents enka ho nti omo san fanko eno na save yen na eno ba ye ebeda abontin ame bobo ho mo afidie so ye bobo ho communicators aban communicated by the defending din say ade no ebe boa Ghana man 1.5 billion na ye kotua in 15 years no defending the din say ade no eye mayen sade na yen amanyofo no mo me hwe ne esanse bi o ade no onte ase so far as the party aka anade abale de ede odi a kire defend ene ya ekoba as presidency adada ni sankrofo na be kan e defend ye no captain sa mon san from bio no bra be ka say sasem no mo kan ye no ede basis no mo di gina so a na mo ka say ade e be boa Ghana man pa me kai ye nua kuma ye okojo oponkroma akotena adom 1-on-1 e kire ma na kire say ade no e be boa Ghana man enti ene say no mo san frɛ bio say e fe o mo reverse sa ade amwa Ghana no di asem no oka enu no ma hwe ne ma yi say ba parliamentar nka bon say all majority o nyina be ka say yes ade ne ye ena minority so ye nyina so ge be ka say ade no so enye
majority no ye ne 1 10 15 20 bidding komo
ne ba player
ade komo
player ye to aba
wo mo say come asking for secret ballot
say eno no wo ho kra ye majority bia untumi nka dia be say be ka ye ka ye ya say ayi dodo ye say kra be ka say ya jatum na mo ye ko secret ballot ndia ene bia nka ye nuanom bi e be ka ho na so ye no hotem bia ne say ade re ba say majority ne dia ba ka say obia be support ena ye minority so ye de say ahwe nyina be ka say enye sade ye in parliament no say e ha yi ene je say this time here say civil society esom ema omo ayema de ayabere hu sem say president obia dada no na nuanom di ntrede ye president whole president sabi nimdifo ti say ye papa the third gentleman of the land I fans onim nyasa se nyina in quotes because you president dia e che say o ka say ne ye nane a o de da o ka say enko say e che say o na onim nyasa se nyina na ye dey na say ni pay ye say obi e dada no e asema e serious because na che say niema decision bebre o take ni nyina e fa nkrofo na e dada no mama me enye na energy minister boss issue by a year boss sa oil in semi buy president clear no e say contamination millions of dollars na sika no ahwere yen e ya say hwehwe ma o na aba e say clear no e wo mu ana oil ye sa koton bio ye say oil da che nti e ton at a cheaper rate and so ye ya na asem so na eko na president that society e kosi na onim literally it say sa boss panyin ye you know what is the reason me yedi yi no
omo dada president say me ye fa also kai
ye dada na said na say sika na ayira ye no say sika na ayira ye no ye nte ho ase
be omo che
say e boni o say de yon yes
na say sika na omo che
nti
boss sika na omo che di
nti mo pa kire say president say oni hu bibia na ene dia na say oyi nipa na dia na enuano mo ye ma ye papa ye nana ye papa panyina odi hu ni mo ye mo ye say soro abofo na ya ya jeje no a soro abofo kire onye boni na house sa oil sikai ni ye kai kana say e betuma between only the minister ni sa ina no e bibi wom enti sa millions of dollars say aso ye papa on tie ho hwe a nka e be just like that and some bebre koso say no obi ye boni a wo ma ye si ahwehwem na say sports minister ya ye call Australia ya ye twin since yi awomwa na president abaso ya hwehwem ye clear no enti who did that fraud no nipa na ye twin sai no na fie kwa hwehwem a ye say nyo no na hwan and the president what can say nye we dia e da utumi ka say ene sa boni na ye di ye no ye we na oyeye ye make me akoso abobo bebre enti ayade a moma ye hwe ne ye esan say edi enya sa adie ya abai president samra biu so mo daada ne dia hwan na daada no ni po daada anya kura sa nipa no e de odi ni tiri etoso na so say anya hwe dia ne ye ntumi ka say president ka say daada no aida say papa ebi oni hu bi na so panyini de wo ye bone ye tore bia na akola agi ade no e de afa because sika ebom no enye sika ketwa a president sabi onyansafo sabi nimdini atisa sabi lawyer kese ni ade papa baba to ho say sign na on for advices because president will advises that's for minister no or advisor on energy and to be say oh yeah what advices now we close to you no on be hwem I read it line by line the advisor say this one is a good deal and wanya sa ne ma nyina no wa san wi anka ye dey cop parliament akwaji atum na fe de ba ye say ye dada president on some review na ye nuanom o me hwe say president onye swabofo oye nipa nti etre bia na mo me kan direct say de ekono enye wan hwe din sa o ne enye ono a o president onim ho ahwe o nkrofo bi na dala ho because we know the box stops with the president we know ye ministers we know you it is a bibi na so oya it's in your name because adia ye free SHS e ba so president Akufo-Addo ono ai free SHS die ntra se boni we si dia e ne se oni onim ho ahwe na dia man na papa badia president boni badia e ne onim ho ahwe ne nkrofo ness I don't believe it and your money cost be break 800,000 CDs website president onim ho ahwe 2.5 million Ghana Post na ba ye kan ho sema president nim ho ahwe ye hu hwe 2.5 billion can bond ye kan ho sema eno so president onim ho ahwe upper east region minister so big ponchi obiji nwan obiji we ni nyina so ewie no so president onim ho ahwe aso can we run a country like this your papa on samre bio na se onim sa ne ma hu hwe dia omiehu se oye bibi omiehu se ni nan esife omiehu se onu na okuta man no enti obia no obetumi aye bibi se ni pana ye na so adaada wa empo de it should not happen se ni pana ye na onim ho ahwe de empo a ene oye na se odi abama wa ye na ka se fe de onim ho ahwe a ene de eye ni pana akaka because can a woman no 1.2 billion cedis anya skaketwa na na president science hadi na se onim dia na che man ya wu so president to science SK na wanye due diligence
he was misled
but why they mislead you
your president in Asia mislead mu in happen I'm not saying that this should justify an anado there no but it looks as if say every president be we krum have misleading
I know na
but nipa no be misleading president no they end up being the heroes in that same government Jay Kufa was misled on Mukhtar Bamba Kofa presidential letterheads. But Wafaka say he was misled. Okay, you're fair to Jay John Rawlings, MVTI, Alhaji something, I've forgotten his name. He was then the foreign affairs minister. I see he was misled. Professor Mills China, I see he was misled. Okay, John Mahama, Eastern Corridor Road, so say voter region road be Parliament. Kobom dewa. Epi say I was misled. Say another Mary. You are misleading.
Ghana has started working again. So I go to the right way, sir. Ghana has started working again. One once before na Ghana na work. Na bibia ya basa. Yemfa say Bahama Breso. One can say nothing was working. There was corruption. There was this. Say one slogan. Ghana has started working again, and so Ghana is working again. The Ghana is working again. Yenti excuses. Yenti excuses. And yes, say na tie dia. And Captain Munya campaign. I'm so metra so. Na me. Now I'm also say one day this time. I'm advocating for engineers. Yebama one day engineer abaye president womemha. It's say nyama bi ho you need engineering mind. After President Mahama ebe dini die 4 years ya ebe ya. Mama ya nhwe na engineer bi mbra because some of these things no too technical. Say obahwe na ono so we analyze. We need analytical minds. So we mean say omo analyze you, but we need people who can analyze. Say obey diagnosis. Engineer to me diagnosis, now one solution. Doctors to me diagnosis, no one solution. It is high time that sometimes no, you bet me I share some of way. You don't want to talk to near me piano. But a balance say, you have my excuse. Oh, minim wafe, minim obine kai. Now, I don't know when you don't even understand that. I don't think say it will augur well for this country. Yeah, but on some review. Matisse will be crab. I can say, he was misled. No, yes, I son. I a different statement.
Sir, President can say he was misled.
Aha, I fed you by son. I
one hour for newspaper.
I say, I who say I mislead you.
Ex-official cabinet.
Let's say you are not in charge. And me some service on some review. Then something must happen. And something must happen. And yes, I count to be according to $1. Because it's time Nina as say my baby according to
Capital Midas say Yabeti it's your friend. I don't be keke and I no pay any ya sorry ya tinkwem na yabetina wo fidi so and to be oti adom afam no pay biano yes renya minshira edima mu nyina Capito anopay se me baha mamimfa akonya we so na memfa ntudwa se nyame ya adom no mayenkwa no a efiada ebei tema traditional area me ye omusomfo e woro mahye bedwam no yebedi afahye tosumieno ye fredi homo fiada 10th of August yebedi, and as part of my normal support to the traditional area no all the 25 clan houses and maybe I was able to support to Ombiano and Rami Shasia made the common naso e ubusi amfini nyina nyami esanso de minkwa chamia nyami adumo china and ameko the paramount chief and naso e traditional council ono so ni die no na media komano na no pay me hu over the weekend so metie say abayano a suspended ban on fishing. Na I am the past president Edina Soto from no feedback na bano na idea na habibre as a fishing constituency a major hurdle edi maye na dia aban say moratorium na edi aban so yen yusu na yemfa afrafo no enya kasachire na wonin tiasie because we need to restore the fish stock ewopono na yentu bi nyambua na nkoyenim and nyame adom a fashion bebas of Friday which is 10th na maybe me do here na me say we interview on customs officer bi ewo hamle a cross border say when it be a container no so no item na wo krata no kire say e sardine be kire ya bi so no na e cement ananya sa sardine
fafi sardine from Morocco
and
eduru ho na o check
Eduru hɔ
here
no,
na sa
they
bi na
check here
fi
no.
na cement
adi ekoso bebre na national security for the and the intelligence community no bomb body in the port na ye kase transit normally won tua duty was because wo do krom no na wa kotua e wo wo be na ade ni nam krom ha ya na ye tonwa na ye deko endi ade na edi ye nya bebre eseyen and the revenue was ye nya ni yemfa nyampuntunduma yemfa support free SHS menu aka di krom menu mo pa bitwemu adi ko enje there's a teacher there we taught together your friend friend Bedu teacher Bedu we taught in Ammonia together they can 1989 to 1996 for national service Ammonia teacher Bedu Ammonia and the etwodie ewu nya ye papa na member custom officer for no be abaso for whatever they are doing and then Faber was also I would do two guys so Emma me yama shisheme me kai say Faber was also a very powerful platform very niama koso na aban entu ho na mon kwan e be fa so a e be boa to shape the political discourse and the economic lifestyle of our country. Na the minimum our kind 2017 report covering 2016 or say summary of irregularities and recommendations, audit results, and with your permission and your listeners, let me quote. Or see the overall financial impact of weaknesses and irregularities identified in the course of my audit amounted to 892,396,375.19 cedis. I will investigate these further and, if possible, hold officials accountable by the way of disaligning the items of expenditure and surcharge. A summary table is provided, blah, 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 blah. Capito Oko Nimbia, or say tax irregularities. No, say tax irregularities form 73.46% of the total financial infraction reported. Included in this tax irregularity was 11,578,688.69 Ghana cedi, which was in respect of Prestia Sankofa Limited, mineral royalties indebtedness to the government as at August 2016, and which had remained uncollected, by GRA since 2012 and 2013. And the question is, why haven't we been able to collect? From 2013, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, and then 6th of August, Monday, 2018. Yes, KB, Eddie Ayam Puntunjuma. And the free SHS, the president, Ewo Adan Asafotufiami. And then one of the major political discourse, Koso, free HS. Streams, 2 streams, na pese ye running. NDC for no. Say, ye pese ye good education. Because, Omudian say, Ghanaians should continue to be how they are in their condition. Because, say, Ghana for any tea, no more school, na ye tea bibiasia. They will not be allowed to be deceived. And the Quembia was here, Mathias, you know, and you was here, yes, sir, no, Mankorano, school. No. Many Casano, the constituency. Excuse my language. I know that constituency. And Kolabi were Pomu Honwa, very brilliant children. Now, only meaning say the problem ban in Naso. Say Yembua, no one go school. There are better children in those villages. Now, say one in your opportunities, they say me ba. Onusu was school. Ewa Kukesimuno, Onyebia, Onusu Dachi, Eboko Yediamano. And into the president, Eka say, me man, Kolebia, was so, say, was so go school. Son say, because of the status ebusuan niska or papa nipi or mama nipiti me jane sa manako ye be boa sankola yeso ansere. So out of 190,000 last year no, it is double, about 120,000 children. And the young jankola no musa no mo nante kwanso e ton dog chase e just say you end up sometimes where you are no entiasie. And this are Bezakuva e kase mami mwan kwale no munko. I expect my NDC friends to support the government and the president. Say, young man, quality in Trevi. School. Infrastructure is a big challenge. President Mama school no see, you know, ewe kumfino. Capito. Me contact ready. Nyaming funny cry in CA. Me name colleague. Honorable JB Dankwa. Our young baby yoko. Parliamentary Select Committee of Trade, Industry and Tourism. A committee so anana me wo ye ko edwuma bi e wo tacholete ye ko takrade e ko ye meeting ye ba no e ye ko another one e wo Commander Sugar Factory at the time ye ko ye inspection afi na ye si ni ade enti ye do akumfi no e na jebi na ngono be jebi na kwase agunda ye nwuram ni ye ko hwe school na ye si no because no ma ye sambol kakraka e si junction so chego ye ko ye from the junction to baby na yesi school no then baby yesi school no e ko ekunfu krom no say wo ni bus wo ni car you cannot come to that school. And did you bisa me say why didn't we use those resources to expand those existing schools? Because obi are no wo ekunfu ho no Central Regional, we are one of the best education institutions.
That's right.
And the baby wo the school nesi no say akwala no and to be nothing concern about 3-4 miles and some baby school. And what's the essence of building a facility there? Now, what do you call Gasco? What do you call Fanspim? What do you call Wesley Girls? What do you call Holy Child? Swedru, Apam, Wuniba, a Biemua. Your own Amamata or Brapa. Anka, you bet me a boy ye. Baby, I did school, you could see. Me perceive, when ye a human mammy, Miss Samu Capito. Moon San Cosa baby, I see facility. Near interest school enrollment, any attendance on it is saying. A very brilliant idea. Say ex-president, no, and infrastructure yaba. But baby, all sighted at the end, and the Yamiano. And to make a swa. Second way, Precious Sankova Limited, 11,578,688.69 Ghana cedis. Yebesre. Yebesre yepa. GRA, Scout and Yay Papa. MPs, Omogina and Naso. Nancy, yes, young boy, your pin number, I need the young go tracker. Every year, me file me tax returns. As I me file it. That's a bit too dear, that's your Jimmy was. I didn't know be need dear was a year from 2012 all the way in 2016. Into 1 year. We have no excuse. Capital, you need excuse. Or says can I see a because President Akufo-Addo per se or build the human capital of our children. Say on to me shukra. Adi bakon de beja Ghana. Every president be a bibi obeye e dia jawo man no ye de be kawo. And so to me ye free SHS. Na odijaya. Oyebi. Because oyes kano was ye ntibi ye mfantiti ye nkola. Enti sabi tafrache presec me call legon. Ye shall price before e shall see e woduma se kropo. Ye shall see na dan kropo ni ni ho. Kakran da price before ne boa ya e na lafo e ma yasase e wo legon baby aye currently. Ye cross the infrastructure kwa ni ho. Presec the 80 years September next month. Enti ye biemu a and in Chelsea and Yaman Colano and Trefie, Yaman go school. But we need to move on. As a leader, as a president, as a member of parliament, as a president or whatever it is. Problems in the baba. But would you know Naso and you confront it at honor and never wow. Enti, me famoso. Say baby a sky will be ano, young go giscano. Because Embrofona and Chinese phone yako wanaso. Say ye pe busia 83 won yen bechichi le kromano. E to a ye gigi free wo and is obia ye djuma onya ne ho mfaso e to keke enye keke po e to a was all the e di ma pan na ban emfanya mputunyo onya bi me no ka say uba me constituency would do TT Brothers Junction would tama for job ka kire wo fa still works enim ho no through tropical cable echo DVLA all the way to third traffic lights you be any concrete iron rods just like the Tamamoto way because wo ba towards Pong to a pram echo ningo echo adan to Aplawa se moto wenu epia eho no mo ye detour no defa all the tanker trucks echo safa no nyam eho no mo nyam fa ya ye kwa no asai asai but this is the first example of president or say yeah the concrete yeah skadi bi webi any ye webi any ye wo batama Newtown Bankuma roads ye be ye Miami kwan fa the Covaco old slaughterhouse no do come to one and then we cut them a Newtown only one access road skani ya bi e de be free me ba enti nefa ba so wasema wo da ba e mitawachi din the we be odi abanka bia no enu ntia finance minister emma moratorium obi bi odi ka no eni o metrase we can negotiate ni ye twene kakra enkakra na ye diska no e dia yempuntu djuma emma emfaso abakromwa na wo kasa no wo ka bo banks bi edin as part of collection your banks bi wo port ho a omuji scanner na e was say omudi ko Bank of Ghana
no credit oil revenue mamen kan kra ma
enti eno so eya semwa ye was ye gemu sa esan say we a national issue who just cannot
Ghana Revenue maintains transit accounts with some commercial banks as a conduit for the collection of petroleum revenue into the consolidated fund. Under this arrangement, the commercial banks are required by law to transfer to the Bank of Ghana within 72 hours of receipt of the revenue. During our review, we noted that the commercial banks delayed in the transfer of the revenue into the consolidated accounts, and some did not, into the fund at the Bank of Ghana for periods ranging between 3 to 243 days. We observed that the sanctions for delay payment by the commercial banks were not applied by the Ghana Revenue Authority. Per our calculation, a total of 10,288,132.53 as at 29th December 2016.
Member banks leading. But clearly it's established. I say running say within 2 to 3 days. I was saying transfer scanner at the Bank of Ghana. Now of course can say between 23 to about 30 days. You first canon coin
243 days, almost 1 year.
No, I mean those together in total. Because Obibiano scan ujia was between 2 to 3 days. You know, I was all this canon Bank of Ghana. I didn't think I was a scan at local bank. It means that the supervision is weak. The controls are lacking. Until we have relaxed. And at the commercial banks in the year, no. A bank on one year, now or the year business. A bank no year, not the year business. But to be as ministry be now your allocation and to be back. Because a Bank of Ghana budget allocation year and in my various department agencies and ministry and to be called. Because for 23 days to a month, you know, you have kept government money. And some agencies are lacking. We want sanctions to be applied here. Those commercial banks, you see penalties. Those in charge, you know, must be responsible. And the message I'm appealing, the finance minister, very hardworking. Any team, no. One be a because where's a woman mania or you won't allow me male anambwa because on no team ministry on himself be a coso kama but until this report is generated e be better than pronso abeka wu no hold on say be nkoyi and the mesere menua kwaku kwatin is in charge of revenue. They are working so hard now. We're making sure say on tax force after every 3 days. Sikebia yeji piano, you making sure you transfer their kwana. You confirm kwaya, then you hold them responsible. na yehwe kwa ebe fa so a ebe solve sa problem yi me pese me ba ha biom na yetiti nyama ekoi me colleague eka bibi about Meridale na I think last 2 weeks me ba na pegem se me na me nikrum me ba na pegem kakra and I was not privy to some of the information na adi ba kwa na eye me de yie pa ne se senya Ghana for ni haji ho a ye di ho abobo ye ka wasa because we person manu ekoyi a nsem bi say ba and what say we trust we must open it up, have a thorough discussion on the matter na ye di ye ni 2 year na o manu anya ho faso na dia me colleague can say na majority for person ye seneke ade no because of late Vice President Yininti menini nyadwen sa Parliament is scheduled to work. Unfortunately, no, it coincided with the funeral of the former Vice President. Of course, MPC be beko. Omo mindum komso be MP juma. What I say, but minjin this say we wanted to snake it out of the place. But whatever it takes, the abe piano. You who say mfunso baby. I was saying nya trans ni yeshum for the interest of this country. For the interest of this country. As ye yanisa, me the media catch them say, nobody loses and nobody wins. I didn't tell a minority for the war. It's your duty to check government. It is your duty. Because Yansini opposition, we did the same thing to you. But they do much edify so. Much edify so. But President Akufo-Addo is listening. He was once a member of the chamber. Oedipa. Na se bibiako. Na se etwina dwen. Na wa frɛ sɛ Debbie suspended. Let me go into it. I don't see anything wrong about it. That is why you are a leader. Yeah, MPC eti. Enyem bebre ya etu fire say. But the minute you draw attention, we'll go and call the team back. Nature say you have your eye on the ball. When ni e waduma na wo yɛ so. Enti se minority for air ka say Ameri no enkoye yanhwemu a edika. Be bomb baso. Some person because they wanted the right thing to be done. See yanhwem na send a year to 2 years no ye dey ato. Because at the end of the day no energy ye kan under President Akufo-Addo's government. Ya te so. Kapito mi wa. Ya ti energy no so. Who go fie so who use 100 Ghana cedis a week and then we use almost about 60 or 70 Ghana cedis a week. And the industries and no more use big time energy. And then you to so the amaway. Sa sikana ya teso no. What you call raw materials, you can turn your machines around and do more production. And you no. Ni pese ye pomani ye entia. And the media discussion there koso no e me fe. Na Ghana ye democracy no and this baby na ye two blows who call Japanese even saying parliament na ye 2 blows. Even Nigeria ya kra. Ya kuntokwa. Nigeria parliament ya kuntokwa just across. But here in Ghana, you bet my politics thing. At the end of the day, they are fair and say, we will sit and look at the general interest of our country. And to me, I don't see any like Obia DCV President Akufo-Addo. An information supply was a corner and young ye. Now say, when you further particulars, said dang, I was a corner one young he can recall it. Senya, ye should me, not ye do no, Edia 2 years, Edia my auntie, honorable, Madam Wase. Na mischief no mususu essence President Akufo-Addo buy energy no no crese America buy at the time of the peak of the energy crisis, but problem no do also is about financials because Sika was here to oil to turn away the machine out there was a problem because Nigeria gas was here iska emba President Vice President Dr. Bawumia Kaya, you did not tell at Sabra Nay Diomoka $120 million. Yentiaka. But ye bay ye Ednam and Shapa, ye did Guakumu, Bibia Air Koso Kamakama. You have done your bit. We're also doing our bit for the sake of the energy to supply, not production and Koso, consumption and Koso, not Ghana for no monto. Medase.
Miss Medase. Mrs. Hill.
You Captain Medase. Na Pato Daniel.
Mary
ne
Medical honorable me no amiti wa mtema no pe ana mitimi fele anet both left and right what me show one things ana mani agena me some big kakra honorable kakra fi left na honorable kakra fi right aba na metia de wasu muefo etia manwasefo na metia menua kwasoro abende gogo kuku akwansan captain me we hope by the day it is sanka yen democracy enyi na no ma beko anim no I get disappointed by the day na makanda say when people were chastising Nana for the size of his government there were other theorists also supporting that say be ma adwuma na yen ketwa na ma adwuma no acontentem but there was a problem of supervision too. On said, I can say, one man and la bitala, Tamo or take it top, no, not down for no. Yeah. Tamo bedu down up top, and none obey a cocran. That is exactly what Nana appointees want to do. Now, I married daily. Then you know Ghana and send over the bike. The MPP at that time and consider the emergency of the situation per se. But the NDC government was saying, say, let's compare the price to the situation now, a woman. Honorable Commander at that time can say, under the emergency, the cost doesn't matter really. Because there was no time for you to go and negotiate, renegotiate, right? Now, Nipa no more, I didn't know what situation, and we say, what true. In the baby, I could be a cheap credit more high. But the government under President Mahmoud Adin was just bent on solving the problem. So the cost was more or less a secondary matter. And Yedi Adenaba. Yeah, MPP by 2 or 3 attempts to make sure say the pricing was okay and without any report from Attorney General say everything was okay. It's Yasumusa. Even we are not good with terms of the prices. Anything about America at all should be something that would rather bring the prices down. Period. Nana do appointments or yeah, Debbie Amika. Say Honorable Jaco can one Nana do appoint here or the two. Because he appointed some ministers and says a way dear or bar problem. I remember saying Honorable Jaco or ye bribia. A bit disappointed Nanape me miracle. But I watched his vetting. And I make as the opposition at that time raised issues about his former workplace. At the corruption no maybe bata so the bank the last bank he worked in. I wouldn't be correct in going to the details, but the summary was that the NDC at that time during the vetting raised up issues about his workplace before coming down. Obeye BBC ya clearance on my during the vetting will be cleaned intellectually. Somebody can link this to the allegations that were leveled against you at your former workplace. So you are opening yourself up. Two, Nana appointment of people also so say he entrusted them with some work. Says Sebi meaning Honorable Tato Grover bait me for your kwama or the baby share me some cry. I will not think of what is handling, I will just take it. Mekantama announce issue by say ni unstoppable announce from going to the flag house and a Jubilee house. Why are they pa? Because Relief Nana was very close to the person handing over the thing. The president will have taken it without even questioning. Then problem will have come. Trust that Nana wo Honorable Jaco in team. And maybe Nana even didn't peruse. And even he did peruse, did Nana have that technical knowledge about this energy arrangements? Said that we are appointing. So we remember energy bibia, she mami na boni biama because Nana there from the one he has eloquently espoused say corruption there. On and no, and into be one more juma bia you bia. Or expect to say you also frown to that. Into Nana tio, Nana bo Jaco. Edibia continue say Nana we did my human never boy in here. Yes, organizational another ways because ultimate responsibility stops with Nana. You have say you should have looked through. No, look through. When I plan the best play now, channel.
Advices.
And you know, the appointee should know the job Nana Nadiama want to say. Uma made me who should be BMO. Even though Mimi didn't ever bought the name, Wuna Wamam, Intino, Yantin, your cost you, but if Honorable Jacob is a gentleman that we know, you should come and tell us that man on you.
No American chance.
On back at chance that man on you. Because now would duly fire him. Now, so 25 and answer no Kufidia, and the non chain of us in Gassino and Kufi. Share. Ye be dia day in 5 years time na ye India. Meaning say Ghana say no, ye energy we no more than we need. It will excess. And then ye more than by 5 years time. Na ye ton ya shed that ton. Ni nya ska abeboa on mine. What sort of deal is this? 15 years paying a rate that is higher than what we will be paying after the 5 years. Now, Captain Smart, ya say binum wishing an one term until one must yes on the president.
I mean,
that can never happen.
Say, meeting one more priest count giddy
That will not happen.
One more butre. We got me million people, but minimum succession plan in United MPP.
We are spirit.
Minimum succession plan at the how clear.
Oh, and someone to mean, Sasano.
Until 1 year won't pray. No one yes can we hear.
They were my dream say Ghana for Hunisika. No,
son, American. But a bedroom support away you see.
Honorable, the thievery is getting too much.
Oh, you should prove it.
Okay.
I mean, you should prove it. Okay. You should prove it.
One say,
me reaction be on a Jakun near Wokan until we are not brim.
Oh, me need problem. Say, no, but Yamame can say, during his vetting, a lot of issues were raised. And the more young Noma, Ebema, Nim Krofako, dear, they say, Nyaman for kind, no quiet. That's all I'm saying. One will say, let me be say, Honorable Katie Hammond or him. Me respecting when it comes to energy issues. Wakasa. And now silence means consent. Obi waha, we are bonina, or he didn't cry, whom say, in the that's the style they have adopted. But a young one must say, finance minister, by law, need no objection we now can document what they call parliament. And young one must say attorney general. That's what the MPs are telling us. Attorney general need view, legal viewpoint on the contract and count what they call. Why will a minister go to parliament with a document without this particular thing? Would they have seen it? Finance minister Uncle Behu, I know who know 1 penny. Attorney general Uncle Orin penny. And the young fan, I know the court 1 penny, one force of the court parliament. Mr. Nana appointees and say, Nana sold himself to Ghanaians long before he was voted into power. More on yen norma a ebe tinti, papa no character ni. Sikaibi, any yepenu, free SHS na meet challenges in Iska. Me dear, me support to say every Ghanaian child, and that is the vision. Wofi obik mako school. Sikasem should not be the barrier. So you need Ghana sky. Look at the audit report now. I mean, an amount of money that could have solved this free SHS problem simply. A wonk of Fubutum. His Excellency Dr. Baumia knows that there's money in Ghana. Dr. Baumia look for where the money is.
But he doesn't know where it is.
He doesn't know where the money is. I've said it about 10 times, and I will say it continuously. Sikano de Ghana. Near how many say he seems not to know where the money, because Dr. Baumia ni baby scan near Nana, any Dr. Baumia person where Ghana. They will be going for the monies. So to say, I said they are still looking for the money, but the monies are there in the pockets of individual Ghanaians. 1 to 1 sanko shesa butu mu yin scamre. Ye pay scan first. We say scan you are ni amra no nkrofo no bedi nyina won fa wundi. But the money is very, very important. Sisi yenye school dem be prayer. And can maybe this double track system wouldn't have come. Yeah, problem. Hey, if you take advantage to mislead the public, Ghana politics is sana aye. Sana aye. But una who cause am? Na nasi wa betu problem. Say, nkrofo matifie anka wo be ko school wo niska. Say we be flag lating. Afa ni yehu the reality. Who say, oh yeah, then the reality has done on Ghana. Say, hey, so this number of children will have been in the house. Yeah, yes, stop-gap measures. Nanka, they are cleared that backlog. Nyam Martin say a temporal measure.
Between 5 and 7 years.
If the government really want to accelerate infrastructure, every Ukrainian could do that. But it's good to give you that number of years. Now they are clear.
But that's a long time.
Yeah, my positive sides of it. Adena yeah because ya poyempo ya nye no dia mbinu betrefi na nanso say no ntumi no so bi ba betrefi na orin ko school because of kwani ho ana scarcity. I always like the people to support their leaders in times of crisis. You consider say we have educational crisis and we have a leader who say I will solve it head on. Now ke ye man no support him. Na advising kiti enko. But Nana Doi, I still insist. Say the type of free wholesale free SHS enye papa for Ghana. Nania kenofrata kaya ye said ye super. I'm also saying it. We should do target free SHS.
If your target is not free.
Do you understand it? Yeah, because the vision is that every Ghanaian child must go to school. Untimin tia ye tia man, obet me tia we tia. Wako school. Untimin Ghanaians obet ye no go school dia wanko school. Wako school. Nanke sikano. Because eno nebe help in the expansion of the facilities. Unim say ene usi school. Now their condition boom. Ya won krofo a obet me tia surface. Ghana.
And then say schools be okrum higher conditions.
Good.
$700 per term.
Yeah. Opa Mananado, and a Minister of Education. Ain't you so about 2 schools in every region? No one can say fee paying. It will be oversubscribed. Me catch out. Those schools will overflow with numbers.
Pay.
Just in the region.
2 pay.
What you say? So
Pam fancy Pim agree was
Pempe.
me say Obenya schools.
Yes, yep.
Opa class schools in the half.
Capito.
Obenya schools are. Obenya schools are. Eh? Subscription can be over. Obenya says canon. Eddie have developed Mangwa Senior High School. Only say up to now, I buying on Chalore Fema, Aqualabia when you school there. And come for now. It had in a school woman was it. Nasa Mangwasa Colano. On to Quanco, maybe Cape Coast. Mangwasi school is standard. Obeko. Because near me per se difference about schools say it should be in the name as it is everywhere, not in facilities. So the difference between Fantipe and Mangwasi is in facilities and not just the name. Then you are denying somebody proper education. But the lab or Mangwasi lab or Fantipe.
And quality of teaching
classroom
is standard.
BBI is standard. Nothing yes in Fantipe fee paying. You don't have anything or objection in the way. Ultimately, command was BBI. The teachers are confronted. That is one model. I'll be able to me at this free. Because you see, education seems to be the most important thing. I'll be to my mouth. Into this card, I say, but who was card, then be necessary this guy apart from educating your children. Into Nana, a hopper and person and national mammy. Me teachers remain one of the poorest paid workers in Ghana. But if I'm giving the challenge, I'll pay fees for my children. What is that I can say? Maybe not because I have them on, but because of I know the essence of education. Nanka ufunuma one said education as a proper anti warring job my fees. If you start from somewhere, by the 7 years time I have a double track system. how to get those who can pay and those who cannot pay. But maybe some question be about double track system and the Minsan can say the classrooms will be empty, so the next group of students can enter. But the bungalows will not be empty. Adano, dear, it will not be empty because to me can say teacher any match first track no. Minfi bungalow na dear mama na men kofi na next teacher so better. Are we looking at that problem? And you know, even though I'm calling on the support for the GAM because you're paying po. That's how we can get everybody into the classroom for now. Maybe I may say the issue be bad. You look at the positive side, you know. We start to support as we advise against the negative sides of it. Na yenhwenia ibetimi aye ediaboa ye mine. Captain, woman di Ghana sikan. Nanado to Amsusa. Here, me say Nanado is the luckiest president. Once the fear of not being re-elected, hunty president, they are now Uteti now Sana. But Nanado, by his age and his popularity and everything, bet me a catch him 4 years. His party will come down on him. I know. Presidential hopefuls will come down. But if what you are doing is good for Ghana, why not? John Mahama, dead Ghanaians, said he believed in the policies he was doing. If Ghanaians voted against him, they voted against young man on Ukranam. Intinana, Ukran, they insist Usru Sikan cry. Oh, the Doma machine crazy Usru. Said John Mahama Susikan. His essence Nanado should not even fear Doma machine. No on trust none near Puakana. He should just, I mean, because you had the real lesson, Bemupe. Both and Okokakra, maybe a new crowd, Wako Giscan, was sponsor of party that kind of issues. Yen is Yen fire Ghana.
But that's it. My dear friend, Mrs. Charlotte K. Court, oil resident, one of the resident officers, I know more bonded warehouse. Ebeto Muse, almost Shahai, be and Yama 103 million. 876,700. Quite taxes and duties pay 103 million. The lawyer say, "Mamma no one yashi, onyam from Subia. Much of cat at say mamma in yeri." And see Wednesday yabekai. I'm for cat and being commodity general.
Capito, Mammy Bremukakra answer na let me clear this important because Sian can be about Jaku said during the vet, you know, there was a question that was asked on corruption. Now onshena adenu enko nya bibi to link to question as when it bisa, you know, it has nothing to do with Jaku's competence. Or beside say the Bank of New York branch London was accused of some corrupt practices. So what has Ajaku got to do with that? Oh yeah, New York branch. I didn't see London. And the anyway Jaku, so it does not even correlate at all. And currently I say my discussion here.
All right.
Being accused of Jaku say why you corrupt.
Okay, but that's
what I say. Let me conclude. And let us establish that fact. Jaku has not been accused. Say why you corrupt, baby. Say asemaba, that's ye can a married deal. Information was here call. Information was here ba. Nase enyankoya. Parliament no we approve. Adiaba. Yes, I defer to next sitting. This is a discussion that is going on for me. It is healthy.
Honorable, the accusation is that there is a wrong thing in the deal.
Who has accused who?
No. Honorable, Mr. Onyameme can say he has been accused. They are catching
no personally, a man opportunity to better.
No, if the NDC minorities they create to loot and share, listen to me. But they are accusing you.
Can I speak? I beg you.
Thank you, sir.
We will all be very much. What does it? And the Jaku has not been given opportunity to defend himself. What does it?
To defend.
And then
he's not done.
He has not been. Have you accused Jaku of being corrupt?
But why then he has not been defending?
Maybe Stanley said the way Sian was
going. You are
going,
saying that he's not been given the opportunity to defend himself. No, means that he's done something wrong.
No. The way Sian was going, say, vet, you know, there was some issue about corruption. And when the Jumuna the idea, no, I have explained that. That happened in London. It has nothing to do with Bank of New York.
But the deal itself, he's been accused. He's the minister in charge of it.
so that the interests of Ghana will be taken care of.
Did he tell the president?
I don't know. I wasn't there. I don't know.
The point that you deceived
And
the
it's
president.
They were kind of last
Tax
one.
can only
Free
go
SHS, no say. Captain, so that be a baha, more fair back. As a free SHS, we buy me kind. See, if you American models, any outside models, say, but bien wa, only boarding school free. Let me take it this. You can last time, no. Now it is going back on eBay because Abrochino almost sees these secondary schools everywhere. Say the menu can. You should say na best standard. But biawotino, you can't go away from there. Now go school baby. Now go daho. Bas na go school. Open up wabefie. Me cite me ameba example. Na omo free lunch. Lunch you say salary here about certain range bia. You pay. I said this year. Me ameba wa one me ba doctor eti because any sister a doctor no. Or call lunch, he pays for the lunch. Bas no dey go school. Enu bin tira President Mahama. Oh yes, you see these schools no. Were all those places. And my community day schools. On my school, see I have any buses. Now you convey boys no, ni girls no. And you work that school cluster. Also about me hoping. Obo say enya easy say. Obi abet me school. Nemo your bus. Next school is one vantage pointer. The bet was some kwala ni na de ma school.
Who see school? Wasa dunkwa. Na obi free. We free. Manso na go school wasadumbwa. Then obi free the next few distance away. Ebe Nigeria. How does you go?
And it's yeah. So open ye a boarding house. Ube discriminate.
All right, yeah. So Catholic Institute of Business and Technology at adumonline.com, Star Assurance, Samanak Real Estate, Cindy Rice, GCB Bank, your bank for life, and Cabell Gold. One of the sources I didn't no. Abreu, meeting the smart,